In this Procare training video, we're going to cover a step that is often not completed when a customer starts using the Procare payroll software. It is mapping the payroll formulas to their general ledger or chart of accounts. When a customer runs a financial report, they'll often receive an error message. The following payroll descriptions do not have a GL assignment. Unable to calculate the payroll journal summary. To resolve this issue, the customer will need to go to the Procare Home tab, click on Configuration, click System, click on Accounting Management, click on Payroll, and then double-click on General Ledger Assignments. These payroll formulas need to be mapped to a general ledger account. For federal, it's pretty self-explanatory. These would be federal tax liabilities. So they would just choose federal tax liability. For Medicare, it would be the liability Medicare. And Social Security, it would be Social Security. Then click Save, and up in the category, move to State and map the state withholdings to state tax liability, and depending on the state that they're located in, then choose state liability, and then click Save. The next category, General, are the general withholdings that a business needs to decide if the withholdings should be mapped to a liability or 2000 account or to a revenue account or 4000. Payroll taxes are a liability because the money is taken out of an employee's paycheck and then sent to the government. Revenue is money brought into the company by its business activities. So this one, general withholding, C-care or child care, could be mapped to a revenue account, tuition, employee child care, or the company can decide to map it to a liability. But if the company maps this to a liability, it will then show up in their balance sheet. If they map it to a revenue account, it will then show up in their income statement. So this is something that the company may want to discuss with their tax accountant to decide if it should be tracked as a liability or if it should be tracked as revenue.